Hello, guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video topic is music players. In this video, I am gonna show 5 music players that are less than 5 MB, so Lite music player in the Play Store, but comes with lots of features, and also have good user interface you guys will like. So let's start the video. If you want to buy my gadget and gears, then check out my kit. In my kit, you will find the coolest gadgets, my PC parts, the phone I use, and more stuff. Hurry up to check out now. Links in the description. Number 5 is Shuttle Music Player. Shuttle Music Player is an intuitive, lightweight, and powerful open-source music player for Android. Some features of Shuttle Music Player. Modern, material design. Built-in 6-band equalizer with bass boost. Lyrics show. Tons of theme options, including light and dark mode and sleep timer. Number 4 is Music Player. Features of the application. Play music by folder and album, artist, genre. Play music in sequence or shuffle. Choose your favorite song as a ringtone. Audio equalizer support and good user interface. Number 3 is Auto Music. A material-designed offline music player for Android. Some features of Auto Music. Android Auto support. Chromecast support. Multiple now playing themes. Normal and synchronized lyrics support. Song tag editor, album tag editor. Inbuilt equalizer. Download artist images, artist info, and album info automatically. Just 5 MB in size. Number 2 is Music Player, no ads. Trabl is an ad-free music player, encompassing the perfect blend of elegant design and functionality. Our robust sound engine is renowned for its high-fidelity audio playback. Tune your MP3 and media files to perfection with our powerful equalizer, bass boost, and 3D audio options. Number 1 is Musical.ly Music Player. Musical.ly is simple, light yet powerful music player with all essential music playing features, with some advanced features like multiple cues, simple GUI with minimalistic design and easy navigation, tag editor, embedded lyrics plus LRC support, sleep timers, light and dark themes and stunning widgets, many more. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, like this video, share it with your friend, and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to my peace.